Wow, this is beautiful. So now we are at Hagrid's ride. Woo!
Right, now here you go. We'll meet at the edge of the forbidden forest. We'll have to round up the screws before they set hard around the house. They just don't know what they're doing. I've got you, don't worry. Reparo. Sorry, I never was great shakes at magic. Oh, crikey, you're tangled in devil's snare. Repeat, Lumos Solem after me. Lumos Solem. That was close. Oh, you found my missing screws. Best be getting you out of here before you get blasted. Now, hit those purple buttons. Hold on. Dragonfire's got a kick. There's a unicorn!
That was crazy!
And look, she's a mum. Bloody lucky thing to see such a sight in the wild. But Merlin's beard, we did see pixies, scroots, and unicorns. Oh, and I'd be grateful if you didn't mention any of this.
That was fun.
Yeah, you liked it?
Yeah, that was cool.
And you said it reminded you of what?
It's kind of like Everest at Animal Kingdom.
Yeah.
Because you get to a certain point, and then the road no longer exists, and you go backwards.
Yeah. But there's a twist at the end, which it was pretty funny. Daisha was like, oh. Did it surprise you?
Yeah.
That's cool.